Good morning, everybody. Eric here, Fast Loud Photography, back at it again today. Today's Friday, September 22nd, and it's the day for the Catalina Fun Run, 8th Annual Catalina Fun Run. I'm super excited. Back here with Rogue Aviation here at the Long Beach Airport. We've flown with John here before. He's an awesome pilot. Anyways, we're prepping here to take off today for the 8th Annual Catalina Fun Run. We're going to be meeting up with the boats out here on Newport Harbor like we always do, about a mile off the jetty. Boats are currently in Newport right now, launching and heading out to open water where they'll be waiting for us, and we'll be meeting up with them in about 45 minutes from now. So got planes going by, it gets real loud. Hopefully my mic here is taking care of business and doing what it's supposed to do. Anyways, Darren's here. He's loading up the chopper with his gear. I'm getting my gear ready. We got all of it down here, and got to fit it all in that bad boy. We're getting the doors off, and man, the weather's turning out great, so I'm super excited. It's going to be an awesome day. I mean, earlier they were calling for fog, and you can see we've got sun here, so this is always a great time when you have clear weather to fly in, especially when you're flying over the ocean for 30 miles. The plan today, we're going to lift off here, meet Newport, chase the boats. We have 60 registered boats today. We're going to chase the boats to Laguna Beach for a photo op in Emerald Bay, and from there we will depart and go northwest out to 2 harbors where we've got the entire beach rented for our private Catalina Fun Run party today. So super stoked. I know Corey's busy down at the ramp, and of course Darren's here busy on the chopper, so I'm going to go get to helping him and get my gear loaded, get GoPros mounted, and we will see you in the air.
So Juliet now, Lima cross runway 20 left, runway 20 right, block way, traffic 6 mile final, airbus. Over there, got 20 right, 603, 50 left. Turns 1849, traffic on base and traffic on downwind for the parallel both having set maintaining visual separation, runway 20 right, clear to line.
John Wayne Tower, Rogue 1, just passing Huntington Beach Pier, like a transition south along the shoreline to Newport. We plan on doing a photo flight there, filming boats 500 feet and below, probably be going in and out of your airspace.
Rogue 1, John Wayne Tower, squawk 4300, ident, John Wayne altimeter 3001.
Is that them over there?
Yeah, that's all them right there. Man, we have a record turnout, 62 boats.
62, wow, that's awesome. Get over there and I'll start slowing it down. You just want me to do left circles around the whole entire thing?
Yeah, just go wide, put them in our target zone right here, and just do a circle. Right. One of them, somebody will take off, and we'll just start following them. What we'll do is we'll follow one about a mile down or 2, and then we'll do some circles and just keep grabbing them, because they're going to try. We're trying to get them to go single file.
Okay.
People don't follow directions very good, and then we tell them go single file. And then they see somebody go, and they get throttle happy, and everybody takes off. Because everybody wants to be first.
All around us.
Yeah. Told you.
You weren't kidding. You want me to go faster?
No, we're going to go back for the next group.
Okay. Tell me when.
Go ahead and bank it.
Bank it? Okay.
So looking for 737.
You know what? Let's go get this Wex boat right here, the yellow and black one.
Yellow and black, where is it at?
Over to my left directly.
There it is, okay. Turning up the water.
And then we'll grab him close, okay, and then drift out to your right and grab all those other.
So get close to him.
Yeah, and about maybe 50 feet lower, a lot lower.
Okay. Traffic on opposing base for the parallel runway is a Cessna.
Alright. I don't know where that dude's going, but forget him. Go ahead and circle back.
Okay.
Yeah, keep following them, and then go ahead and start drifting right and catch these other boats that are running. I got to try to get everybody. Oh man, we're already here. It's crazy. All right, let's do a circle around them and we'll do the money shot with the background.
Okay.
Go low if you can, maybe down 50 feet or so, and we'll get a nice shot with the coastline.
I know when you're about.
What a turnout, man! Crazy.
Rogue One.
All right, we're gonna have a couple guys running. Go ahead and stay here. Drift off to the right a little bit.
Okay.
They're gonna get itchy throttle hands in a second.
Right. Stay here.
Yeah.
Do I follow him or is it stay with the group?
Just head out with the first boat that takes off.
Okay. This way.
Bumping back there,
Yeah, you get an eye on them and drop in.
Doing
Alright, there they are. Okay, they're
turns
going.
around the point at 1,000 feet over 2 days. Bumping back there.
Drift to the left.
That's cool.
Drift left.
Drifting left.
And just keep the speed. It's perfect. We're gonna head over to this other boat.
The one on the far side?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the guy who paid for our helicopter.
Oh, nice. Yeah, definitely got to get shots of him.
All right, John, do you see anybody on your right we haven't got yet?
There's a big, bright red boat. Want to get that?
All right, go to the big red guy.
All right. In the middle?
Yep.
Okay. What's that?
That boat got big air.
Yeah, maybe don't do that.
All right. All right. I was like, what happened?
Yeah.
You want me to just stay right here and let him come underneath and then chase him?
Yeah, we'll set it up and give my gimbal a chance to heal.
Okay.
Go ahead and start turning right now. Oh, that's the Wex boat. We definitely want him. Okay, stay. Put these two guys right here, but get lower and closer if you can. And slow down a little bit.
Slow down, slow down.
No, this is good right here. Pace him, pace him.
Right here?
Yeah. So, slowly drift towards the yellow boat.
Keep drifting towards it?
Yeah. The outside boat. Wow. It's gonna be amazing. Eric Wex, man. What a stud. Nicest family you'll meet too.
That's good.
Look at that, that's awesome. Looking good, guys. Chris Mataloni, ladies and gentlemen, the Italian stallion. I'm going to read off names here because it helps me mark this audio.
That works. You got recording everything, which is nice.
Helicopter 0 Lima Charlie, Cabrillo Beach, northbound 700.
Charlie Daniels, ladies and gentlemen. 84 Scared 3.
Hey, there's a coyote.
Yeah. Yeah, you know what? Let's grab these two guys.
Okay.
We'll get them running together.
Got a little low on that one. About 40 feet or so.
Awesome. Go ahead and get by him and put all three of them in a line in front of us, on our side.
Gotcha.
Love that shot. great center console shot.
Yeah.
All right, let's go get Corey in the lead boat here.
This one up here, the red and white.
Yep. He's the main Catalina man. Runs the show. We can give him a little love and get a little lower, right?
We're like 40 feet.
Oh, we are?
Yeah, we're pretty low.
I'm on a wide lens. That's good. We're good. Sorry.
That's good. Well, any lower, then we'd land on top of them.
Yeah. Oh, trust me, I've flown a lot lower with bad pilots.
Which one? White, red, over there, blue?
We haven't got blue yet.
Okay.
That's Maury.
Ooh, look at that
Gotta
water.
show Maury some love. He's getting the nice blue water and blue sky. Congratulations, Maury. I don't think we got this red one yet.
Okay. Yeah, this is new. That's a cool color. This water is super blue right now.
Love it. Yeah, when the sun comes out, it's a game changer on the color. Get the reflective blue sky. Spin us around a little bit.
Oh, he went way. He's making a U-turn.
Oh, good. Spin hard. Oh, run with him. Oh, that's Tyler. Yeah, go catch him. He knows what's going on. He knows the drill.
Cool.
Yeah. We'll run with these two guys.
Okay. Good.
He got it. He knows what's up. Nice. Is the other guy still running? Tyler up ahead?
Yep. Up ahead, yep.
Go ahead and grab him.
All right.
Beautiful shot with the island. I love that. Bunch of Easter eggs down there, huh?
Yeah, it's beautiful. There's what I want, that yellow.
I think with this last circle, we can head back. What do you think, D?
Yep. Good to go. Yep. All right, heading back to Long Beach.
So that's a wrap on our shoot for the day, but the party's not over. While everyone else is going ashore for the private beach party, Darren and I have to return to Long Beach Airport with the pilot. As much as I love flying with John and Rogue Aviation, they unfortunately don't have the necessary Part 135 license with the FAA, which allows them to drop us off on the island. Therefore, we have to fly 20 minutes back to Long Beach, while we will then catch a ferry for a 1-hour ride back to Two Harbors to rejoin the party for the rest of the weekend. But I do want to thank John one more time for his great flying and for keeping us safe in the air. And of course, my good buddy Darren Van Wright with OC Photographics for all the great still shots, while I focus on the video. And hey, it's not all bad. It was a beautiful flight home where Darren and I could just relax and enjoy the scenery. And we even came across the large pod of dolphins playing in the Pacific. What a treat. Eric, 2.15, thank you. We're at what, 1,050 an hour?
Yep. I think so.
I think we'll be all right. Corey can take it out of my allowance.
That's $157.50.
Extra? Oh, yeah.
I think you guys will be right.
I might have to pay for my own ferry ticket to the island, but I can't believe we have a helicopter and I have to jump on a ferry to go back to the island, John.
I'm sorry. I wish I could jump you off. All right.
We can have a long-lasting relationship if you get your what is it? Part 135.
135. So being able to drop people off.
Yeah.
Now like I said, we're on the list to get it done, but the FAA's been taking their sweet ass time.
I know.
The whole entire time. It's like,
if it's a government agency, you know that's gonna happen.
Exactly.
All right. See you on the island.